# day 33 Psycho Break walkthrough. # overview. The Psycho Break Room combines multiple offensive security disciplines into one challenge. Throughout the engagement, steganography, cryptography, reverse engineering, service enumeration, and Linux privilege escalation were required before obtaining full system compromise. # Stage 1 Initial Enumeration. The target web server contains several downloadable files including images, audio files, and text documents. The following artifacts were collected for analysis. /key.wave /joseph /oda.jpg /helpme.txt # Stage 2 Audio Investigation. The WAV file was inspected using common forensic tools. Commands used included /file /strings /binwalk /socks spectrogram generation /multimining. No usable credentials or hidden payloads were discovered during audio analysis. # Stage 3 Image Investigation. The JPEG image was analyzed using /file /exiftool /binwalk /stegide. EXIF metadata contained no useful information. Stegide reported that the image had hidden capacity, confirming embedded data existed. Initially, several incorrect passwords were attempted. Eventually, the correct extraction method succeeded. The hidden file recovered was # Stage 4 FTP credentials. The extracted note contained valid FTP credentials. Username. Password. FTP authentication succeeded. # Stage 5 FTP Enumeration. After authentication, the FTP server contained /program /random.dic. Both files were downloaded for offline analysis. # Stage 6 Reverse Engineering. The downloaded executable was identified as a pyinstaller binary. Pyinstaller extraction was performed. The executable accepted one command line argument. Testing showed incorrect inputs always returned. # Stage 7 Dictionary Attack. The supplied dictionary was tested automatically against the executable. Eventually, the correct word was identified. The executable returned, followed by a T9 keypad encoded message. # Stage 8 T9 Decoding. The keypad sequence was decoded. The decoded text produced the SSH credentials required for the next stage. Username. Password. SSH authentication succeeded. # Stage 9 User Enumeration. After SSH Access basic enumeration was performed, information collected included /hostname /current user /home directory /user flag /hidden files. Interesting files included. The contents of .readthis.txt were encoded using ROT47. After decoding, a hidden file name was revealed. # Stage 10 Cron Enumeration. System cron jobs were inspected. A scheduled task executed every 2 minutes. This immediately became the primary privilege escalation target. # Stage 11 Vulnerability Discovery. Inspection of the script permissions showed /owned by root / executed by root / writable by Kidman. This represented a classic writable cron script vulnerability. / Stage 12 Privilege Escalation. The original Python script was replaced with a payload that executed. The cron daemon later executed the modified script as root. This granted the SUID bit to / Stage 13 Root Access. After cron execution, spawned a root shell. Verification confirmed. Returned. backslash hashtag stage 14 flag collection. The root flag was located inside. Both flags were successfully captured. User flag, root flag, backslash hashtag conclusion. The room required chaining together several attack techniques. Steganography, hidden credential recovery, FTP Enumeration, reverse engineering, dictionary attack, T9 decoding, SSH Access, Linux enumeration, Cron privilege escalation, SUID abuse. Successfully completing each stage resulted in full compromise of the target system.